Okay, day 9 of my first 100 days here as an American expat. As you all know, I'm taking step by step intentionally how to set up my home here in Saigon. And it's very similar to setting up a business. You have to have a game plan. You have to have cash. You have to have your health. You have to have connections. You have to do things right. You have to do things legally. And so I'm going through the pace. So this is day 9. I believe I'm way ahead of schedule, including having found a place to live. And my friend Scott, who lives here in Saigon, who I've known for 40 years in Minnesota, is very, very instrumental in implementing my game plan and my strategies. Anytime I need something or I'm second-guessing myself or doubting the process, he confirms and adds additional experiences that he's shared with me. So basically, I'm cutting out a lot of mistakes. He basically made all the mistakes himself, but it took him, he told me, 7 years. And it's going to be close to that for me. It's going to be close to 7 years. Actually, I look at it as 6 years. My transition to, in a way, officially retire to a new chapter. And that's kind of what I'm working on. So day 9 is kind of slow to the point where I overslept. I talked to a few people. I'm confirming a few things. I had a good workout. I'm here at the lounge right now. The lounge is awesome here at the Sheraton. It's quiet. It's professional. They have great food. They have great service. And that helps a lot. And I've also made some decisions that I'm going to remain here at the hotel as I move in slowly into my new apartment. So I got to go shopping. I got to do a few things. I thought I needed help, but I think I can do a lot of this myself without depending on anyone. The biggest thing is delivering the bedding and the housekeeping supplies and so on into the new condo. I'm a little spoiled here at the Sheraton, I have to admit. They treat me great, but I'm also paying 3 to 4 times more than a monthly apartment. But Scott assures me I'm going to love where I'm going to be because there's going to be a lot of expats there. So that's kind of my game plan. As you know, I'm on TikTok, I'm on YouTube, and I'm sharing a lot of this as if I'm speaking to my kids, my grandchildren, my brothers, my father. I hope everybody's watching. I am safe, don't worry about it. I'm very pleased of the first 100 days. I'm achieving a lot. And it's almost like a business. You know, you get up every morning, you get all pumped up about achieving things, and once you achieve them, you have baby steps of success. But you got to be real patient too. You got to be patient to implement these strategies, and that's kind of what I'm doing. So, in the meantime, this is good. This is good. Tonight, I'm going to a connection. Chamber of Commerce. It's called AmCham. It's an American collaboration with the Vietnamese. It's a nonprofit, and they're going to have a new consulate. And that's the other thing I learned. I'm a senior member of this Chamber of Commerce because I'm looking to do some business deals here, creating opportunities. I know it takes time. But the first thing you got to do is more or less present a presence here locally to make that all happen. So that's kind of what I'm working on. right now. I also have my book coming out, my second book coming out. I'm on YouTube, as you know, and I'm putting a few things together. So that's my update for day 9 of an American expat transition. I'll talk to you soon. God bless everybody. Take good care.